At Arden House, in the lounge, you'll find a smart 4K HD TV. To turn on the television, just push the power button at the top. That will then start the television into whatever was watched last. So you can see we're into terrestrial TV. To access the guide, just push the guide button here, and you'll be able to choose, using the dial here, whichever program you wish. And then you push OK to access the channel. So here, if we go into 4 and just push OK, and then do select channel. This will go into then this channel. To use Netflix, just push the Netflix button, and this will then go into the accounts. We provide Netflix as standard, so to go into the Arden House, and then if you used Netflix before or haven't, just use the scroll button and you can go down and select whichever channel you wish and show. You just push OK just here, and then this will then start that program. To turn off television, just push the power button. And that's how to use television in the lounge.